It is a Luxxtone. The guy who makes these is the guy who does all the artist guitars for Charvel. So when Charvel has an artist build, this dude is the man. Hopefully, it is badass. There's the spec sheet. There's the bar. Yeah, let's see what we got here. All right, so here it is. Just gave it a little tune-up and slight adjustments. It's really nice. I love the way they did the neck. Just oiled it. They used kind of like an oil stain or something. You can see the neck has a kind of distressed deal. All the checking looks legit. And even though it's relic pretty heavy, it looks legit and doesn't look stupid. Here's the back of the neck. It's just raw wood, finished with oil. Again, it's got that slight black. There's the neck plate. And there's a big brass block. And then even the claw looks like a kind of a upgraded heavy-duty claw. You can see checking. Looks really nice. The pickups are Arcane, is who makes them. Arcane. It's got the wheel here, like a Charvel, right? And yeah, the hardware is, distressed, Floyd. And the frets are beautifully round and smooth. The fingerboard is nicely rolled. Even here at the ends, like right here, you can see that he took the time to kind of round that off. The pickups are singles, real single coils. And you have a blend control here, right? So when you're here, you can blend in the neck pickup and get the neck and the bridge. Oh, if you're here, you get all three pickups with this, down at 0 is when you bring it in all the way, and all the way up is, this is out. The cool thing is, if you just say you have the blend on, when you go here, it's not, it defeats the humbucker. So anyway, it's a great weight. I got the action, the neck is straight as a pin, and I got the action really low. It does seem like it's, it's a 16-inch compound. It compounds out to 16, and I don't see any shims under the saddles. I think that the two E strings, I don't know how, so far it seems really nice. I want to see maybe if when I restring it, maybe I'll shim up the E strings and make it a little flatter. But so far, it just does not seem like an issue. So I had to shim out the bridge a little on this Floyd. They're weird, man. I mean, they're like, I don't get it. They're like crooked teeth, the way the Floyd Rose comes from the factory. Regardless of the, I don't know. But it took two shims under the E, one under the A, one under the G, and 2 under the high E. And so you have 3/64ths here, 5/64ths here. So if you hold down the first fret, hold down the first fret and measure here. From the top of the fret to the string is 3/64, and here it's 5. Low. Yeah, so let's listen to it. Okay, so here's the Luxxtone. And we'll listen to the pickups now. So this is the neck pickup. Neck and middle. Middle pickup. Bridge and middle. Bridge. Pretty hot. Maybe I'll lower it a little bit. This is a master tone. Master volume, of course, master tone, and then the blend control here. So if I put the bridge pickup on, blend in the neck. That's pretty sweet. And then this would be all 3 pickups. Pretty nice little drive. So that was the bridge and middle. Here's the neck pickup. Neck and middle. Middle. Middle and bridge. Very, very stratty. Here's some high gain. Yeah, so it's very stratty sounding. It plays pretty nice. I'm gonna, of course, restring it and dial it in a little more, but pretty impressive. Beautiful neck, beautiful fret work, nice weight. It looks cool as hell. It's amazing how you're not afraid to just, start playing it and banging it, and when it's relic, it's really a psychological thing, where you're just not so precious with it. It's just ready to play. So yeah, we'll see how it works out.